Hello, this is Christy with Minecraft Math, and I am here today with my son Alex. Alex,
hello.
There he is as QueBee. Alex, you're going to switch back? After that second yellow, you're going to switch back to blue? Blue right there, and then pink, and then blue again. Okay, so he is making a tower to represent 3 times 9. So he's doing 9 groups of 3. You've got 8 there. And I've asked him to use a specific color coding system. That is great. Okay, so the color coding system I wanted him to do, we can look at the blue and pink and blue, and that's 3 times 3, so we know that that is 9. I am putting on the F3 the text so that you can see the bottom line there says looking at, and it says how high we are. And our Y coordinate there is 109. So our platform is at 100. He's gone 9 above. So we can look at that as 9, the first group of blue, pink, blue. And the group that is yellow, green, yellow is another group of 9. That goes up to 18. And here we go up to 27. Again, I'm just ignoring the 100 because that's our starting point. Alex wants to say something? No, he doesn't. Okay. So now he's going to work on making a group of 8 times 3. So 3 groups of 8, please. And I am going to start, he's building these by hand. I am going to do it a different way. I am going to use the fill command. So I'm going fill 0, 0, 0. We're going to start exactly where I am. And then I want it to go 7 above me. So I'm going to put 6 because it's going to fill all the blocks starting with where my feet are. That's 0. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's actually a list of 7 numbers. Okay, just a second, Alex. I'll let you talk again in a minute. And I'm going to do this wool color too. And now it kind of moved me out of the way. And it made my tower of 7. So Alex, what did you want to say? What number? You're doing groups of 8? 3 groups of 8. Okay, so now I'm going to get my fill command back again. I just open up the chat, I press the up arrow, and I'm going to do it in a different color now, so I'm going to change the data tag. That number after the word wool is the data tag, and when it went on, it pushed me out of the way. I'm going to change to game mode 3. Now I am invisible, and it's not going to push me out of the way. What's going to be a bit hard is I have to figure out exactly what height to go. And I am doing this again. Now I just need to double check. Okay, filled 7 blocks, but I need to double check whether or not I accidentally deleted one of the yellow blocks. So game mode C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did. I accidentally deleted one of the yellow blocks because I was too low when I pressed the command. So yeah, I should be at 14. I'll stand. Now when I'm standing, I will go game mode 3. And then I'm still in the same place. And it filled 7 blocks. So I'll go game mode C again. That lets me get back on top. And maybe I'll just let myself drop. Okay, Alex says he's done. So great job, Alex. And what? Ah, you've labeled it. You have done 8 times. Oh, you labeled one of the signs wrong. That's okay. That's perfectly okay. So, and it goes to 24. And if we fly up, we can see that because we can look at what height that yellow block is. So this is just one way to practice multiplication in Minecraft. So there I've put, oh, I was standing to the side. So my tower is off slightly. You know, I did this as a practice run through to make sure I could do this, and I did it perfectly. But my sound was off, so I couldn't record it. Okay, there we go. There is 7 times 4. We're going up to the height, it's 28. Now, Alex, how's yours going?
I've also labeled the one that I did only on this one.
Great. Now can you do one more for me right now?
Yeah. Hi.
Can you do 6 times 4?
I'm just writing it down so I don't forget.
That's a great idea. Now we could do other equations. We could do something like this. We could go 3 times 4 plus 7. And I'm in creative, and I just need to get some other colored blocks here.
I just dropped some blocks down and fill in with 2 balls.
Okay, don't worry, I've got blocks now, Alex.
Okay.
Thank you. How's yours going? And so I've got 3 times 4. Now I want plus 7. And sometimes I've given Alex questions like this to practice the order of operation. He needs to know what order to do. Is he going to do the multiplication first? Is he going to do the addition first? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not right now, Alex. You keep going on what you're doing. So there is 3 times 4 plus 7. And we can look, it's 19, which makes sense. It's 12 plus 7. Okay. And now he has got his next tower going, and that is 4 groups of 6. 4 groups of 6, and he can see that that equals 24, the same as 3 groups of 8.
So 2 groups of 8.
3 groups of 8.
Oh, right.
You made your sign wrong again.
Again.
That's okay. He's distracted right now. He's looking all embarrassed, and he doesn't need to be. I make plenty of mistakes in math. So we have, why is it that those 2, it's 3 times 8, or 8 times 3. Okay, 8 times 3, 6 times 4. Why is it that those are the same height? Do we know? Okay, let's look at this. Yes, Alex?
Well, 6 is 3 times 2, and 4 is 8 divided by 2.
Okay, so he's saying 6 is 3 times 2. So when we went 3 times, or 6 times, what was it? 6 times 4. It was really, and 4 is 2 times 2, right?
3 times 2 times 2 times 3.
Right, and we can put these in brackets just to show what we're doing. There's the 6 times 4, and right next to it I will put 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we can look at those and we can see they're really the same thing. I think somebody's playing a little trick on me there, Alex. Please know we're supposed to be setting a good example. If you're in my Minecraft math class, please know I do not take kindly to people doing that to me during class. Right, Alex? Okay. So we've got 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and the other way I was going to show this was just using blocks here. I was going to make 3 groups of 8 in my chest. 3 groups of 8. And then what I can do, and I'm just using my mouse button that I use for placing blocks to split each group in half. Okay, leave my chest alone. No more practical jokes, Alex. I'm trying to do something serious here. And you can see we have 4 times 6. And let's see, if we wanted, well, actually, let's leave it there for today. That's going to be the end of this particular little lesson. And I hope that you take the opportunity to play around in Minecraft and practice some multiplication. So, Alex, are you going to say goodbye?
Bye. Bye.
And goodbye.